Hi girls, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fantastic. And if you're here for the first time, if you're watching me for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and join our beautiful YouTube family. So today I've come up with a brand new Amazon haul featuring some stunning and super comfortable short dresses, perfect for your vacations, your casual outings, and even for your brunch dates. The best part? These dresses are all super flattering for all my plus size beauties out there. Very comfortable to wear and super easy to style. So whether you're looking for something chic, flowy or bold, I've got you covered. So let's jump right into the video. Let's start with this bold and statement making hot pink dress. This is a must have for the fashion lovers. It's sleeveless, body hugging and oh so glamorous. Perfect for an evening out, a fancy dinner, or even for a stylish date. You can style this dress with strappy metallic heels and statement earrings, carry a sleek clutch or a mini handbag to keep it classy. If you want to tone it down for daytime, throw on a cropped jacket and white sneakers for a sporty and chic vibe. Red or nude lip color will add the perfect finishing touch. I love how confident and powerful this dress makes me feel. It's one of those pieces that truly makes a statement without any effort. Next up we have this super cute, super short blue floral dress. The long sleeves and cinched in waist will make it flattering on every body type. Plus the floral print gives such a fresh and youthful vibe. Ideal for vacation, brunches or even for a casual day out. For a laid-back vacation look, pair it with white sneakers and a crossbody bag. And if you want to dress it up, go for ankle boots and a structured handbag. Add some layered dainty jewelry and oversized sunglasses for that chic travel influencer vibe. If you're heading out in the evening, swap the sneakers for a strappy heels or wedge sandals. This dress is so easy to style. You can even add a cropped denim jacket or a light cardigan if you want some layering. Next up is this super trendy black and white abstract print short dress. This is from the brand Vero Moda and the fabric is super nice. I love how effortlessly stylish this dress looks. The collared neckline gives a sophisticated touch, while the tie waist details makes it super flattering. For a bold city chic look, pair it with knee-high boots and a structured handbag. But if you want some more relaxed look, you can style it with flat sandals and a tote bag. Add some minimalist jewelry like gold watch and simple hoops to keep it elegant. A sleek ponytails or soft waves will complement the look beautifully. This dress is so versatile. You can wear it for a shopping day, a casual coffee date, or even dress it up for an evening out. Last but not the least is this gorgeous peach dress. This is again from the brand Vero Moda and the fabric is super nice. I absolutely love how soft and feminine it looks. The V neckline adds an elegant touch and the flowy sleeves makes it super breezy and comfortable. Perfect for a beach getaway or a summer brunch. You can pair this dress with nude block heels to keep the look effortless and elongate your legs. Or you can also add a straw hat and a rattan bag for the ultimate vacation vibe. Or if you want, you can keep it delicate with the gold jewelry like small hoop earrings and a layered necklace. For a casual daytime look, swap the heels for white sneakers or flat sandals. This is again a very versatile dress. You can also cinch the waist with a belt for a more defined shape if you like it. And that's a wrap for my Amazon vacation dresses haul. Do let me know via comments which dress was your favorite and how you would love to style it. Are you into the bright pink glam, breezy florals or the chic abstract prints? Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please do follow me on Instagram. मैं यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा एक्टिव हूँ, तो अगर आपको कोई डायरेक्ट मैसेज देना है, कुछ पूछना है, कोई सजेशन देना है या कोई स्पेसिफिक हॉल वीडियो आप चाहते हो, तो you can DM me on my Instagram account. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fashion hauls, styling tips and plus size fashion inspiration. See you soon in my next one. Bye.